Celebrity ka na, Beb.
It's okay.
Hello po.
Congratulations,
Thank you
Maria.
so much. Thank you po.
Miss Tourism World Philippines!
Marian, what was your initial reaction?
I'm so happy po. Super happy kasi any crown and what matters most is syempre ma-represent yung Philippines international.
Gaano ka ka-excited? May idea ka na ba kung kailan gaganapin yung competition mo?
Yes.
At saan?
Makikita naman natin sa SAFCO 2026. So this year po siya. So I'm so excited sa China.
Oh, ni hao.
Yes.
Ni hao na isda, ni hao na manok.
No. Yeah, that's why I'm so excited.
Marian, do you have any game plan for the next for your pageant of summer?
I will just make sure na I am a well-rounded representative ng ating country sa international stage.
Since Tourism World ang naging title mo, Kamsat, so paano mo ipopromote ang tourism through your platform?
Big opportunity siya sa akin since I'm a marketing graduate. So I will use and maximize my skills and knowledge to best promote our tourism and most especially the Philippines.
O, syempre, content center yung probinsya mo.
Yes, yes. My municipality, my province, and also the Philippines.
Kasi song in the end na you're one of the newly crowned title holders. Kasi di ba that's been a week.
Oo nga eh,
Yes.
no? Oo nga eh.
1 week rest.
Yeah. Almost a week since manalo ka. Alam mo, looking back ba talaga, paano mo nagawa lahat ng ito?
I'm just so grateful sa backbone ko, my team, best team Tarlac. So I'm so grateful for them kasi hindi ko makukuha ang first crown without them. So
I
I'm
agree,
so
no?
grateful.
Parang first
yeah,
crown nga for
first
Team Canlac.
national pageant and first international crown. So I'm so excited.
Correct. Reaction ng family because there's a video circulating that you were emotional when you saw your family after the coronation. Like, parang,
Kahit natapos na yung pageant, kapag nagko-call, video call kami
Ako yung
ng
ako yung
mother
magko-content
ko,
arts.
super emotional pa din siya. And my mom went home sa June. So I'm so excited. Na-celebrate this success with her.
did you tell them that you're going to have a crown?
Hindi pa, secret. So hopefully, proud na proud sila ngayon.
Ngayon hindi na secret. Revealed na.
Reveal na.
Marian, what was the scene behind, backstage? Did you girls know on the crown? Or
Honestly po, hindi. So surprise po lahat. And we're just holding hands and praying any crown po. And we're all grateful. And we are cheering everyone po na tinatawag. So
So you were
super
not
saya.
briefed earlier.
No, we're not po. It's a surprise po talaga. Surprise announcement.
Ah, okay.
So our reaction is very real and genuine.
Kaya pala.
Yeah.
So,
Gusto pa ako itanong, pero kung kunyari, kung sumali ka ng MUPH, tinatanong na sa inyo, para what titles do you want? Para, are you open to getting other titles?
Honestly, this edition, wala pong tinatanong sa amin.
walang
so,
tinanong.
pair po yung pagpili ng crown. So, wala pong
Walang
tinanong.
tumanggi issue,
Yeah, walang
ganun.
tumanggi, walang tinanong. So, honest and fair po yung
At least it's clear.
pagpilian. Yeah, it's
Kasi ang daming
clear.
chismis, di ba, na meron daw nag-universal napping and all. At least coming from a queen, a candidate this year, na wala po talagang ganun na nangyari.
Yeah, wala po.
Butihin mo talaga, baka
Yes,
mas
I will
lumawak pa
po.
yung fanbase.
Yeah, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta and ang mapapangako ko po, gagawin ko ang lahat ko para ma-best represent ang ating country sa international stage.
We believe in you,
maraming
Maria.
salamat po.
Kaya mo yan.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Congratulations!
Thank you. Mahal
Diba-
ko po kayo. Thank you.
Dinulat mo nga kami ng finals night, di ba?
Surprise.
Surprise!
Thank you.
China yun.
Oo,
Yes.
China.
Color mo.
Wow.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Maria.
Ingat din.
Guys, that's Maria Reliano.
Done na po. Kanina.
Ay, nandun pa si Bella. Nandun pa si Bella, guys.
Bye, Marian. Thank you so much.
Pasok kami nila, Ali. Tatlo.
Nakaingat tayo tower.
Pero sila next year pa sila. This year.
Pero actually, nakikinig ka naman sa pinagsasabi ko, di ba?
Yeah, super.
Yung,
Lahat,
yung,
lahat
yung lakad, remember that?
Mami Igan.
Yun lang naman eh.
Mami, yan noses.
Yung bang mo, iwasan mo yung lower here kasi nagpapamaliit. Napansin mo yung comment na okay sana kung dito siya